In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize your own database in Notion. Whether you're looking to better organize your tasks, manage a project, or track a new habit, Notion databases can be a powerful tool to keep everything in check. We'll walk through the basics, so by the end, you'll have a solid foundation to build on. First, let's get started by opening Notion. Once you're in, head over to your profile. This is usually located in the upper part of your sidebar. Clicking on your profile is your gateway to all the tools and features Notion offers, so taking a moment to familiarize yourself with this area is super helpful. Next, find the option labeled Database and click on it. This is where the magic happens. In Notion, a database can hold any information you need, structured in a way that makes sense for your workflow. You can create databases to track projects, plan activities, or essentially anything you might need to keep organized. Once inside the database view, look for the Add Property button. Clicking this opens a range of possibilities. You see, each database entry can contain properties, which function like fields in a spreadsheet. They help you describe and sort your information more effectively. You might add properties for text, numbers, dates, or even files and links. The type of property you choose depends on what sort of information you'll be storing. When you click on Add Property, Notion will prompt you to specify the type of property you want to add. Here's a tip. Most people find it helpful to start with basic properties like titles, dates, and tags, and expand as their needs grow. It's all about tailoring the database to suit your specific requirements, so don't be afraid to customize. After adding a new property, your next step is to choose the properties you need to make your database functional and efficient. This involves deciding what fields are necessary for your purpose and how you can make the data work together seamlessly. If you're a beginner, start simple. You can always add more complexity later as you grow more comfortable with the setup. Using properties effectively is crucial because it helps you easily filter, sort, and categorize your data. This, in turn, makes information retrieval quick and intuitive. Notion's databases are incredibly flexible, so experiment to see what combination of properties works best for you. And there you have it. Creating a database in Notion and customizing it with properties sets the stage for a robust organizational system that can evolve with your needs. Practice these steps, and you'll soon see how Notion can transform your productivity and organizational skills. Thanks for joining me today, and happy Notioning!